What's up, guys? It's your boy Reggie Wolf here, and as you can see, I'm getting it cracking with the green screen for this video. Mainly because I forgot to shoot an intro the day of this video, and it's been a minute. So in this video, pretty much me and my homie Zach, aka my mechanic, if I'm hurt, he's Vargas, are fixing my car because the guy I got it from someone else through a trade, and that previous owner wanted to make it a project car but did not have that much mechanical know-how and had way too much sand in his blood. So I'm left with the car I have now, and the main problem is the exhaust system. He bought some cheap eBay headers that worked, and he just kind of put putty all over it, as you can see behind me. So now me and Zach got to go through and try to fix it. We tried to grind the flange on the part connected to the engine to maybe seal it tighter. And so that's what you will see here. You know, I would do what he's doing myself, but I'm like the real hurt. I don't know how to work on my car. So I got my Vargas over there. He's killing the game for me, so thank you, Zach. So what's the situation we got here?
All right, so we got that one, the very front one, in. Now we got to deal with the third one, or like a second one that we got to work on. That one's going to be a little bit tougher because I think it needs a little bit more material taken off, but it's got less material there.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna have to really go little by little, see what happens. And really don't know what we're gonna do with this last one, because it looks like they got cross-threaded in there, and that's also where it's leaking the most. So we'll just kind of work our way towards it and see what we can do.
So what all have we done today? We have tried to fix the headers, failed.
The header's a little bit better.
We got
the front bolt. We got the third one to where the bolt's actually pretty much straight in, but the threads in the header fucked up.
Yeah.
So I don't know what we can do with that.
All right.
Obviously, the last one is still fucked up, but I think that's just the header being warped.
Okay, we got the fucking bolts cut off my trunk wing, so
Want to show that?
yeah, that looks.
Yeah, where the trunk lid will actually stay up, not fall and hit you in the head.
Right.
Then away from battery terminal.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna stab all your shit with your fucking bolts anymore.
You can get the bolt. Now just imagine that. No.
On both sides.
On both sides, yeah. So that we got that. Well, Zach got that. I watched and I helped wherever I could. I was the light man. All right. Then Zach put in a power steering belt and
bracket.
And bracket.
Tensioner, all that crap.
Yep.
Had to go get fluid.
Yep. We cleaned out my throttle body. Yeah.
I didn't have a brush, so it'd probably still be better.
Yeah, but hey,
Cleaned up a little bit of the.
something's better than nothing, right? And
let me know if it bogs down anymore, like it did.
All right.
I don't know if you noticed it when it did it, right?
Oh yeah, definitely. Why it look like you played Forza, right? Remember when we popped like all? Well, I don't know if you ever did it, but when you pop all the pieces of the car open, that's what my car looks like right now. All right.
Still got the top up.
Oh yeah. But okay, so I guess what's the last thing to do is
Fuck around with the light bar.
yeah, fuck around with a light bar. Let's go. Who is not afraid to get his hands dirty.
Turn it around and show a man who is.
Hey man, I don't work on my cars.
What do your hands look like?
I can't fucking show them with the light here. Okay, here we go. This is failing. Alright, okay, look.
Having issues.
If I had a third hand, I would get my third hand dirty. I don't get my hands dirty because I don't know how to get my hands dirty. I don't know what any of the, like, Zach could have told me today, clean the throttle body. I would have looked at my whole car and just like, I know where the throttle is, but I don't know where the body. I thought the body was my entire car.